In one of the previous lessons, for which I'm going to put a link in the description, we learned how to use network days internationals, work days, and so on to calculate the number of working days between two dates. But the problem is, what if your weekend or the work days that you have are not available in any of the options that are presented in the formula? So for example, if I come here and I do equal network days international and I do start date, comma, end date, and then I need to select a weekend, I can see some options here, but I only work on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so my weekend is not there. So how do I calculate this? This is the topic of this lesson. Let me explain to you the concept. So instead of selecting a weekend that is there in the options, you can do a double quotation and then at the end another double quotation, and in the middle you can write ones and zeros for every day of the week. So you have 7 days of the week, you need ones and zero for each one of the days. And you start with Monday. So every day you work, you're gonna put it as a 0. Every day you don't work, you're gonna put it as a 1. So for example, let's assume that I work on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So Monday is a working day, so I put it as a 0 because it's not a weekend. Tuesday is not a working day, so I put it as a 1. Wednesday is a working day, so it's 0. Thursday is a working day, it's 0. Friday is not a working day, 1. Saturday also, and Sunday. So I need to use this. So now we're gonna do from the 4th of April to the 8th of April, so you can see them here, 2022. I want to know the number of working days without any holidays for now, given that I worked on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Thursday. So you need to have 3 working days, right? So let's try it out. So we do equal network days international, then we have our start date, our end date, and then double quotation. I'm gonna copy what I have there, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then you close the parentheses, enter, you get 3. On this formula, I can add holidays. So for example, 7 and 14 are holidays. So 14 I don't care, but 7 will decrease my working days by 1 and I'll have 2 at the end. So I'm gonna do comma, I select my holidays and I do enter, and as you can see, you get 2. So I hope that this will be useful for those of you who want to have a flexible weekend, so you can use this kind of strategy.